In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot on Google Docs. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can capture exactly what you need from your document and use it right away. Start by opening your Google Doc and getting the content you want to capture visible on your screen. Adjust the zoom if needed so the text or images you care about are clearly in view. Once you're ready, hold down the Windows key, then press Shift and tap S. Your screen will dim slightly and you'll see a small toolbar appear at the top. Your mouse pointer will turn into a crosshair, which means you're in capture mode. Now, click and drag to draw a box around the area of your Google Doc you want to screenshot. Take your time to frame it neatly. Start at one corner, hold the mouse button, and pull to the opposite corner. If the selection isn't perfect, just release the mouse and try again until you're happy with it. As soon as you let go, the screenshot is taken. At this point, your screenshot is automatically copied to your clipboard. You might see a quick notification confirming that. The clipboard is a temporary holding space, so plan to paste your image soon. If you copy something else before pasting, you'll replace the screenshot on the clipboard. To use your screenshot, paste it where you need it. If you want to do quick edits or save it as a file, open Paint, then press Ctrl and V to paste. From there, you can make simple tweaks or save it in the format you want. If you'd like the image to appear directly in your document, click exactly where you want it in Google Docs and press Ctrl and V. The screenshot will drop right into the page at your cursor. If you prefer to create an image file straight into a folder, open your folder in File Explorer, click into the empty space, and press Ctrl and V. On many systems, Windows will create a new image file for you right there. If you need another capture, just press Windows, Shift, and S again and select a new area. Keep your target content centered and zoomed appropriately for the cleanest results. That's all there is to it. Trigger the capture with Windows plus Shift plus S, drag to select the area of your Google Doc, let the system copy it for you, and paste it into Paint, into Docs, or directly into a folder, whichever suits your workflow best.